Hey everyone! Our group worked with Deshawn, who is the front desk manager at the Holiday Inn Express. We learned all about how the front desk is operated and what it's like to be in the position like his. We split the information we learned into 4 main sections. First, let's take a look at tasks. The day-to-day tasks of the Holiday Inn front desk manager is extremely diverse depending on the day. The main motive of this position is to basically be the quarterback of the hotel. They work closely with the general manager and keep things running smoothly. A more in-depth look at these tasks performed would show you that they do scheduling, training, organizing shuttles to and from places for guests. They keep their eyes on the lobby and basically everything else. Deshawn works hard to make sure guest satisfaction is number one. Deshawn also stresses the importance of being knowledgeable in the accounting area of the hotel. Next, let's check out the ups and downs that this position has to deal with. When Deshawn was asked about his least favorite part of his job, he made it clear that working the 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. shift was the worst part in his opinion. He also found it difficult to make sure his whole team of 10 people is always on the same page. Difficult guests can also make life hard, but he believes that there is always a way to fix a problem. When it came to the benefits of his job, Deshawn showed more interest in his paycheck than anything. But this is understandable when you take into account that he is also an HBM student. He is thankful for all the experience he is getting for his degree. Deshawn noted that he believes their training program needs to be better structured and more organized. Now we can move on to working with the staff at the hotel. Every day, the front desk comes into contact with the other departments within the Holiday Inn Express. The front desk is constantly checking in with maintenance and housekeeping to ensure the best for their customers. When it comes to the chain of command that Deshawn works with in his position, it goes front desk worker, front desk manager, general manager, and then the property director. Lastly, let's take a look into the guest management. When a person checks into the Holiday Inn Express, they can expect to be greeted with a smile and given options in the kind of room they would like. It's the small things like this that really create the experience those guests will have during their stay. If there is room in the hotel, guests will be put in the most quiet areas to ensure that their stay was relaxing. Once a guest has completed their stay, they are given a survey to fill out. Deshawn goes over these surveys and follows up on them. Unfortunately, sometimes guests are not always their happiest during their stay, and that's where things can get tricky. Deshawn explained that his first step in one of these situations is to apologize sincerely. Luckily, depending on their situation, there are many different solutions to every problem. Generally, people request that their fee for their room be waived. As you can see, there are many different components that go into being a front desk manager. The main areas being tasks, ups and downs, working with staff, and guest management. Our group would like to thank Deshawn and the Holiday Inn Express for giving us the opportunity to learn from them.